Melendez creeps in at third, the 0-2. Check swing. He went around. Good breaking ball from Yu-Min Lin. I feel like he's our down on the farm report every day.
Fastball, swing and a miss. Aired the battery, ready for the 1-2. Fastball, got him at the top of the zone. Back to back from a sidearm real quickly. First pitch to Lin. He's gonna foul it off the helmet of his counterpart behind the plate, Susak.
He's gonna need a Dr. Susak over there.
The 0-1 pitch to Lin. He's swinging again. Fouls off a fastball. To Lyle Lin, fastball. Too tall. 1-2. It's not like my handwriting's much better.
Well, speaking of doctors.
1-2 to Lin. Breaking ball in the dirt. He lays off a week with Independence Day. 2-2 pitch. Lin lifts it in the air down the left field line, but it's hooking foul.
Yeah, that looked good from our vantage point. Maybe he's going to dump one down the left field corner, but just went foul.
Hodlin has the sign, another 2-2, and it's going to hit off the elbow guard of Lyle Lin. He's going to take first base, a great at bat. That'll flip the lineup over to Cintrone. We have the base runner for the Sod Poodles with 2 outs.
Yeah, and I'm not exactly sure what Lyle's role is going to be moving forward, considering Caleb Roberts and J.J. DeRazio being
the runners on the corners. 2-2 pitch, way out in front. Lin has a lot in his bag of tricks to go to. He goes to the fastball upstairs and K's up Winkler. His 6th strikeout of the night, brought to you by the Amerants, between both managers and the umpires checking out the field.
0-2 pitch, and Bolte's down, swinging on 3. Giving up ground. And there's a swinging strike. The up down. Great work by the grounds crew, the tarp crew, to get this field playable. 2-2. Swing and a miss. Clark is out. First offering. Lin swings and misses on an up and in heater.
Lin's been really aggressive. He was in his first at bat and again here in the second at bat.
Nobody on and 2 out in the bottom of the 5th. 0-1 pitch. Lyle takes Arkansas 4-1 win over Frisco. 1-1. Breaking ball in for a strike. 1-2. Downstairs, 2 balls and the 2-2 pitch. Downstairs, 3 balls and 2 strikes. And for a guy that has Palouse's payoff pitch in the air to deep center, but it will be knocked down by the wind. Clark in the right center field gap makes the catch. The payoff pitch. Strike 3, it's right there over the
strike onto the berm. 1-2. Breaking ball, did he go? Yes, he did. A strikeout for Connor Dramis. The Saudis are racking up the Ks tonight. Brought to you by Optimum. There's 2 outs. The pitch. In there for a strike. Beautiful job from Connor Dramis. Sets down all. The first pitch to him. Takes it on the outside corner for bottom of the 8th. Elledge kicks, fires, and blows a comes set. Ready for his 0-2 delivery. And a fastball misses outside. On a Tuesday night. 1-2 pitch to Lin is lined up the middle, but perfectly played is Bowman. And he makes the grab at second base. So another 1-2-3 inning from the Sod Poodles. 13 in a row set.
Runner going, first pitch, down and away. Lin's throw down to second is late. Bowman safe, 1-0.
Yep, really good jump there off Matthews.
And why not keep running? Matthews.
See if we can make it a platinum here.
Golden Sombrero, does it come with a plastic poncho to avoid the rain? First pitch, both runners going. Lyle Lin's going to throw down to second. It's nowhere near in time. Double steal works. And it was called ball 1. Hughes as Jake Rice gets warm in the pen. Actually, that may be Will Mabry. It is Mabry. 0-2. Way out in front was Susak. And no chance on set.